Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the code execution cannot proceed because Ffmpeg.dll was not found, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Next one is the DISM restore health scan. So I will share the command line with you in the description section of the video. Simply search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. And lastly, delete the app data folder associated with Teams if the issue is with Teams. Okay. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command %app data % and hit enter. Now, if you find the Microsoft Teams app data folder here, I don't have it, but if you find it, then simply delete it. Okay, this has helped hundreds of users, so this will be a useful solution. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.